Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of magic bubbles with the Bloonies Plastic Bubbles Variety Pack.
This product is not just any ordinary bubble solution.
It's the best magic bubbles available in the market, and here's why. Inside each pack, you'll find 8 assorted bubble tubes accompanied by super cool blowing straws. But what sets these bubbles apart? Firstly, the quality is unmatched.
Made from safe and high-quality plastic, these bubbles are non-toxic and emit minimal plastic odor, ensuring a worry-free experience for you and your kids.
These bubbles aren't just for fun. They're also a versatile leisure entertainment option. Whether it's for arts and crafts, indoor play, or outdoor activities, the possibilities are endless. And let's talk about versatility.
These bubbles are perfect for various occasions, be it Christmas, birthdays, or even Halloween parties. They're sure to be a hit with everyone.
With a size of 5 by 7 by 0.5 inches per pack, these bubbles are conveniently sized for easy storage and transport.
Plus, they're ASTM and CPC tested, ensuring top-notch quality and safety. But perhaps the best part is the sheer joy they bring. Watching these bubbles inflate into giant, elastic balloons is a mesmerizing experience for both kids and adults alike. So, if you're looking to add some magic to your playtime or party, look no further than the Bloonies Plastic Bubbles Variety Pack. Get ready to create unforgettable memories with the best magic bubbles on the market.